Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, somebody laughed at Appa and he actually said, Appa, when Appa fried fish, I actually use a non-stick wok and that is cheating. So according to him, that is cheating. Actually, to me, as a home cook, I think we should try to use whatever easier for us. That makes more sense, yeah, because we don't have to prove to people how good we are when it comes to cooking at home. Most importantly, because we only just want to cook for our family, yeah. But anyhow, Appa haven't been using stainless steel wok for a long time. Today I will try to use stainless steel wok, maybe just to make him happy, to fry a fish. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to fry fish to perfection using stainless steel wok. So first of all, Appa has one piece of barramundi fish cutlet here. You want to wash it clean and dry, yeah. You can marinate it with a little bit of salt. To me, that is optional. Next thing, prepare a wok. Yeah, I'm using stainless steel wok today and put in some oil. We add in the oil when in a cold wok. Yeah, that is the first thing you need to remember. In a cold wok, put in the oil, then only you heat it up, and you want to bring the oil temperature to smoking point, which is at least 180 degree and above, 100 degree Celsius and above. You know why I very seldom use stainless steel wok right now? Because look at all this reflection. I don't know how to remove all this reflection. Yeah, it's very it makes things very difficult for the viewer. So that's why I try to use the matte finishes, those non-stick lah. Anyhow, we're going to use stainless steel today. Now, if you put a chopstick inside, you can see some bubbles coming out. Yeah. This is like probably 140 to 150 degrees Celsius. Not good enough. You want to bring it to smoking point, yeah, where you really can see some smoke coming out from the oil. Alright, not sure if you can see the smokes already. I can already see from my side. Use a long spatula to help you to put in the fish. The next thing, don't keep on flipping it. You want to allow the crust to form at the bottom, so you let it fry for at least about 1 to 2 minutes, yeah, before we flip it over. We'll come back shortly. So this is after approximately 2 minutes on the first side. Okay, let me try to scrape the bottom a little bit. That's the beauty of using a stainless steel wok. You don't mind scraping the bottom. You need to try to flip it over. Beautiful brown color. So we will give the other side also another about 2 minutes. We'll come back shortly. So this is after another 2 minutes. Scrape the bottom a little bit. Alright, it's almost there. I'll give each side another about 30 seconds, then it is done. A lot of people say, Appa, how come your stainless steel wok doesn't stick? Actually, let me tell you, all stainless steel wok sticks one way or another. It's just how you use it. To reduce the stickiness at the bottom, try to add oil in the cold wok, then only you raise the heat. That one will really help. Huh? Ooh, that's dangerous. Okay, I'll give this side another 30 seconds. Then it is done. And I got my beautiful golden brown pan fry. Actually, this is called 半煎炸, meaning semi deep fry and pan fry. Alright, done. So take it out. Look at how beautiful it is. And now I'm going to move it over to an oil absorbing paper. right? This is the oil absorbing paper or kitchen towel. Rest it for 10-20 seconds. Then we'll move it on to the serving plate. Right, so here's how simple it is to really fry fish using a stainless steel wok to perfection. But given the choice, I think now I actually prefer to use non-stick. It's actually less stress. All right, so well, to me, home cooking is just don't make things difficult for you because we have to cook very often. We don't have to try to be big chef, right? We only cook for our family. That's it, good enough. I hope you like my very simple video today. I'm going to eat it with some chili padi dip with soya sauce, yeah? So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.